Kodi ino mutu chochitika njani kodi? Kungodzuka tu mama uno ndangoyatsa foni ndasowa nati ndaphedwa ena kuti kaya andipanga kidinapu. Mama gaisi ena kuti nanyoza HIV stress ya muntu nde muntu uyo kaya afuna andiphe izinto. It's like a lot of things. First of all, izizobandika ya Tamia atika ya nanyoza HIV status ya muntu unaika pagulu chancha. At the end of the day, aliyesa kuzwa panona zori even ndithu kuli modzi olo anthu inoyo kuona kuti muntu umene unanyoza anthu uyu olo muntu I don't even know kuti dzina la muntu uyu mutika ya ndani. I don't even know kuti muntu uyu ndi ndani. Muntu iwe ngati pali muntu amene nanyoza kuika HIV status ya muntu ase come public ubwere pa public ndikuone inoso ndimudzi wa muntu I don't even know kuti when did I do this. Koma whenever I'm trying to speak out anthu ena kuti iwe usamayankhula zinthu zina wazongozisiya. Come on, I need to speak the truth. I did not post HIV stress ya muntu komanso muntu wali kutiko ali kuti muntu like even pa social media sinaoneko kuti Tamia wanyoza. There is nothing. Chinaso ine zona people farm then sina kind of busy phone kumano makazi nanga amanina zokuti kaya watu kunabwera anthu kunabwera azibambo enake atali. That time I wasn't home, I was at the farm. As atali kaya ndi nzimayi waroksi anabwera watu abwera kangabu kusi autero. And I'm just asking myself, apapa I'm home and it's in a situation I'm asking myself now, listen guys, I didn't do anything wrong to anyone. Okay? Mwina, I know udena zukuri kumaraye kuno muntu wakazuru wamba zandale wambili, you become a threat kwa antu andaleo because they know nena zukuri. In air, for example, and 2,000 of people listen to my content. I'm onera. So, Antoandale, if you feel like maybe I'm trying to threat, not only Antoandale, even Antonomo, if you feel like I'm a threat, you need to use your knowledge. Because Azori knowledge is more powerful than money. So when mabanga ineyo, and when you need money to do it, I only need knowledge. I don't have money. There is no way mutanga bulitse swabisizi waine kumari basubweza swabisizi inenzisangara swabisizi wabwera zikula yamba kuenda swabisizi. So zokuti poverty can make you look like a fool when you are ignorant. So I have poverty, but I have knowledge. So knowledge can be, not even can, knowledge is more powerful than money. Ineo mabanga ndrama zambili. Kuma degree ndilibe, diploma ndilibe. I use my knowledge to make the money. I don't use money to make money. Because when you are using money to make money, no matter evil, you can use that money to kill Muntu because of money. You can use the money to destroy innocent people. You can use the money to destroy poor people because of money. because of power. So ine mukamando andopanga posi za politics sinkhaura I'm trying chani. So pali zinthu zina you need to use knowledge to deal with knowledge, because you are dealing with the knowledge. So I don't give a fuck. I don't care how many people will be making my videos ondilangiza ini kwaona santu amene andilangizao. Your life is even sad. You are living a miserable life. Ine vano sinambe wapempha munthu phala kapena umakalandira maso apisiza munthu mazimangira zinthu ndekha pano musanga bwe unazora Tamia Ja uyu anandonangira kwambiri no ndi maina zinthu zomwe zikuchitika kumalawi kuno mamvet. So izi zoti kaya Tamia awaphedwa izi ndi izi zimene zozoiti kwa chikhauli ndino anthu enano bwezizira ubali tsani kalikali komeneyo I know kuti I'm innocent. Olo parapezeka munthu ondipanga interview ndifotokoze side yanga yadzi ma story muri za chani HIV, you see kuti I'm innocent. Koma no, when you are poor, some rich people take advantage of you. Koma nobody will take advantage of me because I'm using the knowledge that I was born with from God, from the person. I don't know you believe in God, I don't know you don't believe in God. I was created and I was given the knowledge naturally. It's in me and it can never be taken. Like, I'm just too young. And being young is not an advantage. Ndine mwana kunzelu. Ndine mwana kumaonegedwe. Ndikubadwidwe. Not kunzelu. There you can do the fuck you wanna do. To me, you can destroy my image on social media and to do whatever you want to do. At the end of the day, deep down I know that I'm innocent. So when you are innocent, you are not scared of anything. So don't come here, Tamia upedo. And thank you. Shout out to me was for posting, because I wasn't active. I was offline the whole day because I was busy in social media business zanga. Sindika social media 24 hours doing it. Didn't business women my data. But of course social media is on the business wine. That's why I'm someone don't now do banga guy. I should change my behavior for magampanando and magampanana banga building. And when I fail, we just like our own zone, our own space without involving us our success in the Antwerp. So the Antwerp I am involved with for business, for my own business. Not for the politics, the social media. No. This is Tamia Ja for business. Those are where on social media. When I'm in a easy and I have stuff that I do. Social media, ima upusisa nizaini. Osari wouldn't mandiziwa. When I Jerima Mudziwa, when I'm in a Janamulangizaw, be Matafale, freedom fighter, freedom fighter. In the freedom fighter, if you are used life you are slaves in your own country, get used to it. Enough we cannot be used. Enough Indiana. If you want to work with me, come and work with me. Don't take away the knowledge that I have to people. I think that's so I don't know. That's so I'm at home. I'm home, guys, and I need to eat. Hey.